Good day everyone, you are welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial I want to show you how to create fishnet of required cell size in ArcGIS. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. So let's go to our ArcGIS. In ArcGIS I want to bring in a polygon. Let's use this Quara boundary. Click on add, click OK. So I have this Quara boundary which is a polygon and I want to use it as basis for creating fishnet. So come to search and you type create fishnet. So once you search, it will bring it out. This is it, create fishnets. Click on create fishnets. So here, this template extends, we are using the Quara boundary, and here click on here to navigate to the folder where you want to save it. Let's save it as Quara. Click on save. Then let's move down. The cell size, let's make the cell size 0.1. This cell size width is a function of your extent, the template you are using, that is the polygon I have inputted. This one also 0.1. Then the number of rows I want 40, and the number of column I want 40 as well. Then we move down here, the geometry type I want polygon. So the figures you enter here is a function of this template you are using, this template extents. So if you put in a bigger polygon, then you have to enter a bigger, depending on the size you want. So click on OK. So it will run and create fishnets. So it's done, fishnet has been created. So what to do now is to bring this one on top to be able to see it. So this is it. So the next thing to do now, you can check this. The next thing to do now is to come to selection and select by locations. So we want to select this fishnet we created, which is Quara, and we want to use our polygon Quara boundary to select. Click apply. So you can see all the rectangles boxes, all the boxes within our template extent has been selected. So you can close this, then come to that very layer and right click, go to data, export data. Click here, let's export the data to, let's call it Quara 40, and the type is shapefile. Click save and click on OK. Click yes. Can uncheck this, you can see. So this is how to create fishnet of required cell in ArcGIS. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.